Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the hottest tech gadgets on the market. Today, we've got a game changer for those looking to digitize their cherished memories from old VHS tapes. We're talking about the ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2.0. The ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2.0 is the ultimate solution for preserving your precious VHS tapes, camcorder footage, and more. It's designed for simplicity and ease of use, and it's packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. Let's dive right into the key features that make this converter a must-have. With the ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2.0, you can turn those old videotapes into digital format with just a touch of a button. No need for technical expertise or a computer, it's that simple. This converter works with various sources, including VCRs, camcorders, DVD players, DVRs, and even retro gaming systems. It's your all-in-one solution for analog to digital conversion. Unlike some other converters, you won't need a computer or any special software. Just hook it up and start recording directly onto a USB flash drive or SD card. The second-generation version brings several enhancements, including a large 3.5 preview screen, better recording quality, and improved audio-video sync protection, auto-stop feature, mobile-friendly MP4 recording format, and the ability to pause and resume while recording. ClearClick is a small business brand, so when you buy this product, you're supporting local businesses. Now, let's briefly go over how this device works. Connect your VCR, camcorder, or other video source to the converter using RCA cables. Insert a USB flash drive or SD card into the converter to save your digitized videos. Press the record button on the converter to start capturing your video. You can monitor the process on a 3.5 LCD screen. Press record again to stop recording when you're done. Remember to use the auto-stop feature if needed. Remove the USB flash drive or SD card and transfer your digitized videos to your computer, tablet, smartphone, or even burn them to a DVD. Make sure you have the necessary cables for your video source. Consider using an SD card for recording for potentially better results. Turn off the auto-stop feature to avoid dead space in your recordings. Be cautious about not stopping your source device before the converter to prevent corrupt files. There you have it, folks. The ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2.0 is a game changer for anyone looking to preserve their old VHS tapes and analog memories. With its ease of use and impressive features, it's the best VHS digital converter on the market. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want more information, leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time on Product Critique.